Cybertruck fans are no doubt aware by now that Tesla plans to offer an optional second battery pack that will allow them to stretch the range of the EV pickup to 470 miles. But what they may not know is Zero Motorcycles has been doing the same thing for a decade now. Zero calls its secondary battery a Powertank, while Tesla's offering will be called a range extender. More on Zero's Powertank in a moment, but first, here's what we know about Tesla's Cybertruck range extender. It's meant to be used for long trips, especially ones involving towing. Tesla CEO Elon Musk says it is, quote, a toolbox-sized battery. But he's referring to a full-length pickup bed toolbox, not the smaller ones you might find in a Home Depot. At the time of this recording, Tesla hadn't released details, but Electric.com estimates the pack will likely be somewhere around 47 kilowatt hours and weigh roughly 700 pounds. Those are guesses based on Tesla's claim that the additional pack will add approximately 130 miles of additional range. Whatever the final weight ends up being, it's clear the extra battery isn't going to be something you can just unclick, lift out, and leave in the garage, raising questions about whether it will have to be permanently installed. One guess is Tesla might offer a battery lift kit. For example, aftermarket companies and car makers offer lift kits for convertibles with removable hardtops. Most of those systems have pulleys mounted to garage beams that allow owners to lift their tops off for winter storage. Tesla's range extender battery will likely require its own support system, given its weight. Since batteries also have management and coolant systems, it also seems unlikely it will be plug and play. But who knows, maybe Tesla's engineers have another surprise up their sleeves. Pricing hadn't been announced yet, although some Tesla HTML source code tweeted on X indicates the option might cost $16,000. When I did a check of Tesla's Cybertruck webpage, it appeared that line of code had been removed. Next, let's look at Zero's Powertank. It weighs roughly 45 pounds and adds 3.6 kilowatt hours of capacity, which on something as small as a SRS is good for roughly an extra 20 miles or so of highway range. In the case of Zero, the additional battery is a permanently installed dealer accessory. It costs $3,200 at the time of this video's posting and is offered as an option on most models, but that price doesn't include the installation labor. Zero's Powertank replaces the standard storage area but still leaves enough room to charge a smartphone and store a wallet. Now that Tesla is following Zero Motorcycles in installing auxiliary battery packs, what do you think? Will the rest of the industry follow suit? Let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this episode of EV Rider, please give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to bring you more adventures in EV motoring. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.